What's going on, guys? It is me once again for part 3 of this entire box that we ended up purchasing. If I sound a little weird, no, that's not your phone or your headphones. It's just me. I am getting sick. So I'm gonna do a quick recap of yesterday's video. Okay, let's see. It was a Haunter, a Mew, a Charizard base set to another Charizard. Put that right here. Boom. Boom. I'm sorry for the... If there is any glare, I am trying to work out a lighting situation. Just, bear with me. The videos will get better. So... Jolteon. Arbok. These are not hollow, but it's a still really cool card. That's not a hollow either. That's not a hollow. Hollow. So this is a quick little review of what I got yesterday on the opening. Definitely gonna get the one Charizard will be sent to go get graded. The other one, if you guys want to buy it, or if you guys think I should do a giveaway with it, so let's see. Okay, Machamp. I believe this came in the deck. I believe this came in the deck. So Machamp, Nidoking. So we have some good ones, some basic ones. I will keep up here. Put it right there. Drowsy. Reverse. Zapdos. Attack. See, I would have thought because they came in these, they would have had a better cards, but oh, let's go! All right, so Raichu. Base set. It is very scratch. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let's see. Here, let's get out. Let's get out. So, you see all the scratches? That is a no-go. Still really cool to have in a collection. Put this back in here. So, still cool. Ooh, Mew, promo, Entei from the movie. Promo. Oh, Muk Fossil Hollow. Let's give it a little look-see. Oh yeah, beat up right away, right off the back. Look at that. Boom. I'm not gonna look at them all. Only the really good ones I will take out because I have a big stack. Mewtwo. This one deserves to get pulled out. Ooh, beat up from the back. Look at that. Why couldn't you taking care of your cards, man? So, still, okay. Keep those right here. I think these are all the ones in these. I'll put them on top of each other, do a little stack right here. So, okay. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Anything good? Oh, really cool. Can't complain. So these are a lot of gym ones. So this is where he kept his energies. Tons and tons of energy. If you had a pick of energy, which one would you pick? It could be fire, water, leaf, lightning. So I know some people have their, like, when Pokemon Go came out, Team Valor, Team Mystic. So let's see. And okay, yeah, put these on the side. Boom. Take another little chunk. Okay, so these are boom, boom, and let's go. All right, Sandshrew, Onyx, Machab. Oh, upside down now. Oh, I skipped a few there. So, I'm sorry. I'm drinking water so it clears my throat. Because or else I sound like a little boy. So, excuse me if I take little pauses. It's just me trying to drink something. Dark Mug. Once again, these cards will be for sale. So just comment down below which one do you like, and you know, if they don't get yo, all right, last choice. Chat. I need to take this out. Let's see this puppy. Okay. Look at that hollow pattern. That is amazing. Oh, it's the original. Back has scratches. I don't know if you guys can see there. Trying to. Oh, you see right there? The little. No, it's keeper. It is a keeper. Boom. Let's put that on top of these. No, because it overpowers it. So. Come on, let's get something. That's a nice card. It's a nice card. I'm just gonna put it right there, just because I like it. Come on. So far, I am impressed with this guy's collection. Don't know if I'll be able to get my money back. But other than that, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, let me break this in half. Onyx. Yeah, a lot of reprints. Okay. Squirtle, Psyduck, Squirtle. Charizard for the win. This guy had like a few Charizards. Oh, it's a reprints. This card is like in pristine condition. I cannot see anything wrong with this card. Look at that hollow pattern. Jeez, look. They have like kind of similar hollow patterns from the original, this one, to the reprints. That's dope. I might send this to get graded. So, boom. Now, we got the duo. We just need the last final member of the team. Can we pull it off? I hope, because if not, I'm be really bummed out. He has all the Bulbasaur, Ivysaur. So, no, I would hope he would have it. Because if not, what kind of collector was he? Just kidding. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Trying to take it out. Trying to take out the ones that need to be taken out. Okay. So, training card. A lot of Eevees, a lot of base sets. Look, he looks pissed. He's like, yo. So, come on. Where are all the hollows at? Oh, hold on. Trying to do all of these. It's kind of hard to do. I feel like I've done. Look at that Butterfree. How cool is that art? This guy had a lot of reprints. So yeah, a lot of reprints. There's a few more in here. So let's put these away. Let me try to scoop them out. Come on, give me the good stuff. Once again, if you guys need Charmanders and Charmeleons, let me know, because I have a lot. Okay, this is the last stack. Last stack. Trainer. I think these are all gonna be trainers. If it is, that sucks. Because I had high hopes. No, but, oh, okay. Here, let's put these. Boom, boom, right here. Give me a second so I can take a sip. Woo! Okay, the last one we needed. Look at that. Here, let me put these. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna carefully slide it. Carefully. This card is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I only see one little in the corner, but other than that, look at it. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. It's centered. No scratches on the hollow. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Here. Ooh. Let me put it back. I will definitely put these. Where are my top loaders? Boom. These three. Definitely top loaders. Gotta make sure I'm not trying to stomp it on the cards. Boom. See? Put this in here as well. This is a thumbnail. This right here, thumbnail. As Hilary Duff would say, this is what dreams are made of. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, let me finish this stack so we can continue. No more hollows. And that is it. That's gonna be it for now. I have another box on its way. So, you know, just keep in mind of that, and come on. How could you not? How could you not be happy? I'm happy. I don't know if I'll get my money back, but you know what? This is still cool. This is still really cool. Boom. All right, once again, thank you so much, guys, for being patient and you know, sticking with me. If you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment to let us know. We will have box openings pretty soon. They are on their way. Yeah, if you have any questions about any cards for sale, these, I'm afraid I'll have to, if I get any reprints later on, I might end up selling the reprints. But other than that, these I might send, for sure, sent to go get graded. Still debating, for sure, to go get graded. But other than that, if you like any other cards, please let us know. Once again, thank you so much, and I will see you later.